So you probably got your Neptune belt and you're thinking, there's no way. This belt is about 2 inches too short. I didn't send you the wrong belt, and I'll show you how to install this. So your old belt, you're probably thinking, oh, slid it on pretty easy. Well, that's because your old belt is way stretched out. These are elastic belts, and so the trick to get it on, you'll have a very difficult time trying to get it on just like this, because you almost have to have 3 hands to do it. So you need one, and then you're trying to get it on and you can't quite do it. So the trick is to grab a zip tie or a piece of string, twine, rope, anything. Secure the belt to the pulley. This is going to act as your third hand. You're going to wrap it around the motor, and then you're just going to, oh buddy, there you go. Snap the zip tie, give it one more courtesy turn. You want to make sure that the belt is riding somewhat centered on the pulley, and it should be in just about the center of the grooves of the motor pulley. So you see it fits, it's tight. Your old belt was just really stretched out, and this is the correct way to get the new belt on. If you don't have a zip tie, try using string or a piece of wire, just anything to secure the belt and to hold it in place so it acts as your extra set of hands. Or, you know, even if you had a small clamp or anything, just anything you can get it to stick to this pulley. Once you get it stretched on, it'll just fall into place and you're good to go.